Let's look at these Funville Sparkle Girls toys. There's the coupe. We got some clothes. Fashion dolls. The Fairytale Collection. These are kind of like Disney princesses. That looks kind of like Tinkerbell. That looks kind of like Snow White. A mermaid. And some princesses. Got this fashion doll. More fashion dolls. These are only $5. This is $9. And there's even smaller ones for about $3 each. $2.47. You can come down here. Got some bigger sets. Funville Sparkle Girls, Princess with Horse, and the doll and matching dress up, so you can dress up like your doll. And here's some really big dolls, really tall, 20-inch, for $10. It's Funville Sparkle Girls. There's a princess, a ballerina, and a princess. Got some sets. These Sparkle Girls look like a lot of fun.